Secondary School, Class 7A. This is my product is hospital appointment services, and my tagline is developing health and wellness, and this is my site, and this is my logo. Product details. Overview of our product. My product is hospital appointment services, and my aim is to improve medical facilities and help people by staying home and staying safe. The problem is that slots are often full in hospitals, so people are not able to get admission fast and get services often. Different hospitals, different people, senior citizens, pregnant women, common men as well who have difficulty in visiting hospital in person will use. It is easy. First, go to website, chatbot will guide to fill answers and get linked to needs. It is wonderful website. Everyone will be healthy and safe from it and get in one click preliminary consultation medicine. How did you build your product? It has many skills. It was wonderful. I used making of collages, forms, landlord, Google Sites, etc. I have added several Google Form links in my chatbot, which is embedded in my website. What is your business model? Hospital can buy my web product at once for a fee. I will charge commission on per patient consulted basis. Advertisement will be there on my website. Distribution and marketing. Through posters on ambulances, through social media, YouTube, Facebook. Also, I will give free demonstration in primary healthcare centers. I will paste my QR code on ambulances. Sale will be done through my online store. Future plans for your business. Describe for 6 months. Sell my product to at least 10 hospitals and get valuable feedback from villages also. Describe your 1-year goal. Improve my products, use data analysis tools and add more business partners across India. These are my pictures of websites and this is home. These are my team members and these are my links of my sites.